Alright, now we are at the ASEAN Food Festival 2021. This event, there are a lot of food from every ASEAN country. Each country is looking so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But the one that stands out is probably the food from Singapore. It looks very, very outstanding.
Oh wow, this food is looks so good. Oh, that food is also looks so good. I want to taste it. What is the national dish of Singapore?
The national dish of Singapore is Laksa. If you want to know more detail about the history, ingredients, cooking techniques, and many more, let's go to the Singapore booth.
Laksa is a noodle dish consisting of noodle, fish bone or huguai, shrimp, cooker, and bean sprouts. It is served in a coconut milk tom yum soup and is often served with a chili paste. Laksa is a traditional Peranakan dish. A group of half Malaysian Chinese who create a new mixed culture by bringing together the goods between Chinese and Malaysian. The Peranakan word in Malaysia means brown here.
Ingredient: hockey noodle or span noodle 150 gram, sliced squid pork cooked 100 gram, 4 boiled shrimp, 1/2 2 cup, medium strength coconut milk, both from boiling shrimp 1/2 2 cup, 1 boiled egg, ginger slice 10 gram, 50 gram bunch, cucumber slice 10 gram, red chili slice 10 gram, spring onion slice 10 grams, pawpaw leaf 1 tablespoon, fried shallot 1 tablespoon, 1/2 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon chicken broth powder, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil plant water. Curry paste ingredient: 1 red chili chopped slice 2 tablespoons, lemongrass slice 2 tablespoons, 1/2 2 tablespoons, galangal 1/2 2 tablespoons coarsely chopped fresh turmeric, 1 tablespoon shrimp paste, 1 tablespoon ground dry shrimp, 1/2 2 tablespoons vegetable oil.
So today I will tell you how to cook. First, boil the water and fish for 5 minutes. And add Vietnamese coriander, ginger and lemongrass. And brand chili paste. And add Asam keeping and baricam. Extract fish meat after cool down. Add fish head and boil for 1 hour. We will remove the fish head after 1 hour. Cut ginger flower into 5 pieces. Slice thin red onion. Slice cucumber repeatedly to remove bitterness. Cut cucumber like this. Thinly cut black cheese. Thinly cut chili. Cut chili into small slices. This chili is another type. It's not same chili in the first. Wow. Add fish and Suparat. After 1 hour, we will remove fish head, then add fish meat. Add chewy salt, sugar to taste. And ready to serve. Enjoy!
Wow!
Laksa is the noodle that served with coconut milk tom yum soup and chili paste. It's more delicious if you eat it with steamed fish. And the laksa noodle, the noodle is thick and not really long, so it can easily to use spoon to eat it. For some restaurants, they serve with only just spoon, no chopstick are provided.
Dining etiquette. The etiquette of eating laksa is eating with a spoon and chopstick. Use the spoon and chopstick to mix the laksa together and use the spoon to scoop it into the mouth and avoid using your hand.